This is Euclid Book 6 definition number 1, and I know you've been waiting a long time for this, and finally it is here. Okay. Definition number 1 reads, similar rectilineal figures are such as have their angles severely equal and their sides about the equal angles proportional. Okay, what does that mean? Okay, we're going to mark this A, B, C, D, and E, F, G, H. Okay? You have A, B, C, D. You have E, F, G, H. Now, what that means is that angle DAB is in number of degrees. Okay, we're talking about angles and number of degrees here. DAB is the exact same size as HEF. Now you say, well, the lines aren't exactly the same. No, the lines are not exactly the same, but if you were to measure the angle here in degrees, and you were to measure the angle here in degrees, you'd find out those are the same number of degrees. Okay? And you'll find out that ABC right here, this angle right here, is the exact same size as EFG. And then we go on to say that BCD right here is the exact same size as FGH. Okay? And then we go on to say that CDA, which is this one right here, is exactly the same size as GHE. Okay? Now, here comes the proportions. As DA is to AB. So we have DA AB, that is equal to HE over EF. As DA is to AB, so is HE is to EF. And so, as this is to this, as this is to this. Okay? So, if this was like 1 to 2, and this was like 2 to 4, well, 2 to 4 is actually 1 to 2. Reduce the fraction 2 to 4, and you reduce it by 2, and you get 1/2. Anyway, we can go on to say that as AB is to BC, so as EF is to FG. AB is to BC as EF is to FG. Then we can go on to say as BC is to CD, then so is FG is to, I'm going to say it again, as BC is to CD, so is GF, yeah. Hate it when I do that. As AB is, let's see, as BC is to CD, so is FG is to GH. Alright. As CD is to DA, so is GH is to HE. And that's all the definition's saying. Alright. I will tell you more in a future video. Stay tuned.